I don't feel like cooking today. This is why I bought this rotisserie chicken from Sam's. But I'm going to make biscuits. Actually, I'm going to make drop biscuits. The biscuits that I'm making are cheesy. I think they're probably similar to those biscuits from the Red Lobster. So now you're just going to add the buttermilk. Don't mix too much. You don't want the biscuits to come out gummy. So we're just going to mix a bit more. This scoop is 3 tablespoons. And we're going to bake. My oven has been preheating at 425. I melted some butter, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, oregano, garlic powder, and parsley. Once the biscuits are baked, I'll just drizzle this on top. So the biscuits are done and they baked in exactly 16 minutes. So I'm going to brush the biscuits with the buttermilk. If you have leftover buttermilk, just drizzle on top.